In this video, you will see how to calculate 10% discount in Excel. I will show you 4 methods to calculate 10% discount. As you can see, we have original price, 10% discount and then calculated discount. In the first method, just click inside the cell and type equal to on your keyboard. Then select the discount, which is 10% forward slash and divide by 100. Then multiply and then click on the original price and then press enter on your keyboard to calculate the 10% discount. So 10% of 1000 is 100. Next, in the method 2, you can type equal to zero point 0.1 multiply by the original value and then press enter on your keyboard to get the discount. In the method 3, you can just type 10% multiply by the original value and then press enter. In the fourth method, you can just type equal to, select the original number minus in bracket. You can assume 90% value, so it will be 0.9 multiply by the original value. Close the bracket and press enter on your keyboard. Now if you have lot of numbers like this, you can directly calculate. For example, just enter any one of the formula and then you can click on the cell, and from here you can drag the cell down like this to automatically calculate, or you can also copy the cell and paste like this to paste the formula and auto calculate the 10% discount in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.